Hi, welcome to our test kitchen here at Flying Pig BBQ. I am one of the co-owners. My name's Aaron, with the other co-owners Robert, Lino, and Paul. Today we are going to be making a mustard barbecue sauce. It's one of our signature dishes here. You are going to need a half a cup of chopped onion, about a teaspoon of garlic paste or 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of cider vinegar. You are also going to need a 1/4 cup of ketchup, approximately 3/4 cup of regular mustard, and a heavy squeeze of Dijon mustard. You will need a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 cup of water, and 6 ounces of soda, either Pepsi or Coke. And then I also put in about a teaspoon or 2 of liquid smoke. Alright, in a medium saucepan, you're going to add your half a cup of cider vinegar, your half a cup of onion, and teaspoon of garlic paste. You're going to bring that up to a medium heat and let it go, or let it reduce until it comes to a syrup. After your vinegar has thickened to a syrup-like consistency like this, go ahead and add your paste like your ketchup, your mustard, your Worcestershire, and your liquid smoke. After that, go ahead and add your soda and water. Mix well. And bring it to a simmer for 20 minutes until it thickens, or until the thickness that you want. After stirring for the 20 minutes while it reduces, taste and adjust the seasoning. I have added a touch of salt and liquid smoke. Now, if you did not stir for the 20 minutes, you will scorch the bottom and the sides of the pot. Remember, an unstirred pot is sure to scorch. Now, after that, go ahead and shut off the heat and place it in a storage or serving container. Alright, this dish is good for pork, barbecued ribs, chicken, you name it, it's just about good for anything. I hope you watched this and enjoyed the makings of a wonderful barbecue sauce here at Flying Pig BBQ. Remember to put a fork in our pork.